Plantain App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how gardening apps have evolved in 2025. Plantain promises to help you track, grow and care for your plants with ease, but is it really worth using? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by thinking plant care apps are just reminders. Plantain offers plant identification, growth tracking, watering schedules, and care tips, all in one intuitive platform. Another advantage is personalization. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app adapts recommendations based on your specific plant types, location, and climate. It even sends reminders tailored to each plant's needs, helping you avoid overwatering or neglect. Plantain also provides a visual diary for your garden, allowing you to track progress, share photos, and get feedback from a community of plant enthusiasts. For beginners, this reduces the learning curve and builds confidence in plant care. However, there are cons. Some features, like advanced plant analytics or premium tutorials, require a subscription. Accuracy of plant identification can occasionally be off, so manual verification is sometimes needed. Notifications can become frequent if you add many plants. In conclusion, Plantain in 2025 is ideal for anyone looking to simplify plant care, whether a beginner or a seasoned gardener. While premium features come at a cost and some identifications may need double-checking, the personalization, growth tracking, and community support make Plantain a valuable tool to keep your plants healthy and thriving.